Okay then guys.
Hello, Scotch here, and today I'm here to tell you about my Rude, Crude and Tattooed Bloggers Ink Tattoo Challenge. I had one of these about 6 months ago and it went really well. It was quite successful. I figured that I've probably got another 150 followers since then, so I need to do another one. Now, most of you know how much I love tattoos and I love to hear the stories behind the tattoos. So the competition is that you send me your tattoo or a picture of your tattoo to my email address. I'll collate them all together and you guys will get to vote who's the best or who's your favourite. So there's no rules really. Obviously we've got to see where on your body it is, so don't do too much of a close-up. If it's on your arm, we want to see if it's on your arm. If it's on your neck, we want to see that it's on your neck. And maybe then just a wee story about what the tattoo means to you, or why you got it, or some little funny story about what happened during. Anything, you guys decide what you want to do. The rules are really open. Last year I even got somebody send me a temporary ink tattoo stuck on their skin, so that's cool too. It's still ink, even if you're too much of a wuss to get one, just use your imagination. I'll put all the photos up on my blog, www.gillianherefer.blogspot.com at a daft Scots lass, and you guys will get to vote for your favourite one. Well, the competition finishes on the 20th of March, so get your entries in now, your photos sent to me to info@redpepper.za.net. I'll put everybody's together in one post and then you guys get to vote. There's also prizes to be won. The winner of the 2012 Rude, Crude and Tattooed Bloggers Ink Tattoo Challenge will get a voucher from foulmouthshirts.com, which is an awesome website with awesome t-shirts, completely offensive, just how I like it. So go and check them out so that you've got some motivation to send a picture of your tattoo in. So go check them out. That's about it for now. Cheers, bonkers. Bye.